Hi, here we are again with our AI Photo Studio tutorial. In this one, we will use the Fusion template feature. We have a model, sunglasses, and a new jacket. Our prompt will be generate a professional photo where the woman in the first image is wearing the sunglasses and the jacket in an urban, old industry scenario. Give her a cool, rebel attitude. For this prompt, I want to see how the improved wording really works, because my earlier instructions were very dry. Let's see how the AI interprets what we want. Professional studio quality photo. A confident woman as the focal point. She wears sleek designer sunglasses and a stylish jacket, exuding a cool, rebellious attitude. Her posture is strong and assertive, with a direct, defiant gaze. The setting is a gritty, urban industrial environment featuring weathered brick walls, rusted metal structures, and exposed pipes, creating a raw and authentic backdrop. Cinematic lighting with dramatic shadows and subtle rim lighting emphasizes her silhouette and the textures of the environment, shot from a slightly low angle to convey power. The color palette is desaturated, dominated by industrial greys, browns, and rust tones, with sharp focus on the subject. Well, I really like how the improved prompt turned out. It gives much more detail about what we want to extract from a powerful image, right? Let's see what the AI gives us. Cool, here we have our model. Yeah, it's nice, I really like it. The glasses seem consistent, maybe slightly bigger than her face, but oversized glasses are in style nowadays, so that's not bad. I do notice we didn't specify the glasses' size, but they still fit her nose and head well, and they're adjusted nicely above her ears. I like the pose and the attitude. She has a very soft smile, and the hands look consistent. I see a small issue with the thumb. It could be better. But overall, her legs are in a very cool motion, and the background is exactly what we asked for. The overall lighting is perfect, and it showcases the jacket really well. No adjustments were made to her clothes beyond what we specifically asked for, so the original model's outfit is preserved. Here you can see the three elements for this composition, shown side by side. I confess I'm surprised by the result, and now I'm curious to see what you'll come up with. It would be great to hear your thoughts on this video. If you have any questions, please let us know. Don't forget to like and subscribe so we can build a community and push this tool to its limits. That's all for this tutorial. Our Fusion template is simple, efficient, and fun. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.